Hey everyone! So I just wanted to share some of my favorite things to prep for the week just to make it a little bit easier when life gets crazy and keeping you from grabbing the fast food or a little bit unhealthier options, and to save you money because it's a little bit more expensive if you get it somewhere else. So first up are egg bites. So you just get some eggs. I like to put it in a measuring cup so that way when I pour it into the muffin tins, it's a little bit easier. It's just eggs with some salt and pepper as the base for all of these egg bites. And you can add anything you would add to an omelet. So spinach, red peppers, any meat or sausage, black beans, salsa, cheeses, mushrooms, anything you can think of to really add some variety. And what I'm going to do with these ones is take some turkey, sliced turkey, and put them in the bottom of the tins. The other option would be if you have sausage to kind of crumble it up and just put it into the egg bites, and also make sure you spray these tins before you put anything in them. Another option would be to get silicone cupcake things, little silicone molds, and you could mold them right out of that. That's what I usually do for any muffins that I make ahead. So what's your favorite thing to prep for your meals, guys? Or favorite flavors for your breakfasts? So another option is to use some duck eggs for these. If you can't have regular chicken eggs, it is possible that you can eat duck eggs, which is a fun fact that I learned. And duck eggs have a little bit more protein and stuff in them. So you can see I'm just pouring them in. And then I'm going to add some spinach to these as well. I cooked the spinach down just so that way it wasn't going to be taking up a bunch of room in the cups, just because you know how spinach is. And once you end up cooking these, guys, you can just throw them in the fridge for the week in little to-go containers, and you can just grab and go. So you have no excuses and keeps you on track for your meal plans. And last but not least, some cheese on top. You don't have time to prep. Carrie, how don't you have time to prep? As far as breakfast prepping goes, this could take you, I mean, it takes 20 minutes to bake these, but you don't have to be standing there while it's baking. But making these probably only takes 20 minutes, and then the next recipe I'm going to show you, you can also do at the same time because they bake at the same temperature for the same amount of time. So there's my little egg bites, little cheese on top, just some turkey, spinach, and mozzarella cheese. And then next, these oatmeal cups are a great alternative if you don't really like eggs, or just to switch it up so you're not eating the same thing every day. So this is 4 cups of oats, and then this is 2 1/3 cup of almond milk. And then you need a little bit of sweetness to these. I like to use maple syrup. You can also use honey, but I feel like maple syrup does a great job for this breakfast option. And then you need some baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You don't want to, I don't blame you. I don't like doing it at night either. I hear ya. There. And then from there, you just add whatever flavors you want. So if you want peanut butter banana, blueberry almond, apple cinnamon is a really good one. So for the apples though, I recommend peeling them and then cutting them into little cubes. And orange cranberry is another good one, but you just kind of add whatever flavors you want. And you're gonna mix it together and then just scoop it right into these tins, just like the muffin ones, and then both of them cook at 375 in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And that's it. So really easy and simple things to keep in your fridge for the week. And if you can't meal prep, you just have to make it an importance, I guess. Because otherwise you might want to do it at night. But I hear you, I don't want to do it at night either. Mondays are my meal prepping days. But that's all I have for you guys. Any questions, leave them in the comments, or any recommendations for things that you guys have tried for other people to get to try. Let us know in the comments. Have a great Monday. Bye.